997 cold start video. Okay, right at 100. Tire pressure monitor light's still flashing, but I just took this video a minute ago, so I'll probably just upload both of them. I forgot to wait a minute and go back and show the tailpipe, so anyway, this is my second time. It's literally still cold though, so wait a minute, go back and look again. Yeah, I looked at the guy's comment on Cars and Bids, and he said that he requested me to start the car, go show the temperature, should be pegging at 100, come back about a minute later, and show the exhaust tips again. So this video is now 1 minute and 30 seconds long, just about, right now, 1:30. So it's been a minute and change, still here, still clear. From both angles and the back. So there's your cold start. Now it's been about a couple minutes running. We're at right there. But yeah, if you look at the time in the first video, and you look at the time in this video, you'll see that I literally thought about it when I went inside and came back out to start again. So here we are. Any more questions, just let me know. Thanks.